Welcome to Coffee Grounds. I'm here with Jeff Wallitsch at Wallitsch Garden Center. Today we're talking about succulents. Succulents are everywhere.
They are. They're super trendy. They're easy to maintain, easy to water. It's great for someone that's not at home all the time either.
Okay, we're going to make a container of succulents.
We're going to make a great succulent container because we have all these succulents that we're going to fit into that container. So there's lots of different succulents that we can use, lots of different texture. So I always think it's fun to say the names because it makes you sound like really smart. But this is an Echeveria.
What's this?
That's another Echeveria. We have a Kalanchoe. We have an Aeonium. You know, and then some sedums and things like that too. So there's lots of different cool varieties that we can use.
Okay.
Now we have our pot. It's a very shallow container because they don't have a very extensive root system, so it's great. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of just build our container. So we're going to add some different succulents. I like to use the bigger ones first.
And just stick them anywhere.
Just kind of stick them anywhere. Usually the taller ones towards the center or towards the back.
Okay.
And then you can have another one there, Claudia. We'll get our hands dirty.
All right. Put this in the front.
And then once you kind of start going, you can just kind of like start shoving them in there.
Okay, give me one of the small ones.
Oh yeah, the small ones are fun. I call those the tucker-inners.
The technical term for
yes.
it, right? The
Everything I say is technical.
Let's stick that right there. And then we need one more.
One more right there.
Front.
We'll do this little cool sedum.
Okay.
And then to finish the container off, I like to use some decorative moss. This is the Spanish moss, and then we're just gonna put that around the edge of the container.
Okay, and if you don't use the container, then there's some other places and pots that you can use.
Just basic terracotta pots are great to use for centerpieces, mason jars.
I love a mason jar.
I know, and if you have a brown thumb, we do have some really cool ceramic succulents too. All you gotta do is dust them off.
Probably have some takers on that. All right, for a complete step-by-step, go to wallitsch.net.